Welcome back to our channel. Humanity has always sought to unravel the mysteries of our world, yet some secrets remain stubbornly out of reach. Today, we're exploring 6 baffling discoveries, enigmas that challenge our understanding and hint at lost knowledge and unexplained phenomena. From ancient machines to cosmic signals, these mysteries remind us that we're still explorers in a world full of questions. As we journey from the Aegean Sea to the deserts of America, consider your own theories. What do you think lies behind these puzzles? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's begin our journey into the unexplained. Our first stop is the Aegean Sea, where sponge divers in 1901 discovered a corroded bronze artifact among a Roman shipwreck. Hidden inside was the Antikythera mechanism, a complex system of gears and dials, centuries ahead of its time. This ancient device could predict planetary positions, lunar phases and eclipses, functioning as the world's first known analog computer. Its sophistication challenges our timeline of technological progress and suggests a lost tradition of scientific brilliance. Who built it? And why? Was it a navigational tool, a teaching device, or something more philosophical? No other similar devices have been found, and its full purpose remains a mystery. The Antikythera mechanism stands as a ghostly testament to forgotten genius. What other marvels might still lie hidden, waiting to rewrite our history? Sometimes, the past is more advanced than we imagine. Next, we encounter the Voynich manuscript, a mysterious medieval book that has baffled scholars, cryptographers, and linguists for generations. This ancient tome is written in a script that no one has ever seen before, filled with pages upon pages of looping, flowing characters that seem to follow the rules of language, yet remain utterly indecipherable. The manuscript is also adorned with bizarre, otherworldly illustrations, strange plants that don't exist in any known botanical record, mysterious diagrams, and fantastical scenes that defy easy explanation. For over a century, some of the world's brightest minds have tried to unlock its secrets. Cryptographers have pored over its pages, hoping to crack a hidden code. Linguists have analyzed its structure, searching for patterns that might reveal a lost language. Yet despite countless hours of study and the application of modern technology, the Voynich manuscript has stubbornly resisted every attempt at translation or interpretation. The text itself is especially perplexing. It follows the statistical patterns of a real language. Words repeat, sentences have structure, and the flow mimics natural writing. But no one can read it, and the plants and diagrams inside are unlike anything known to science or history. Some illustrations seem almost familiar, while others are so fantastical, they seem to come from another world entirely. Theories about its origin abound. Some believe it's a record of a lost civilization, written in a forgotten tongue. Others suspect it's a complex cipher, hiding knowledge meant only for a select few. There are even those who argue it's an elaborate hoax, created to confound and amuse. If it is a forgery, it's a masterpiece of deception, painstakingly crafted to mimic the structure and rhythm of genuine language, complete with convincing illustrations and consistent handwriting throughout its hundreds of pages. Every claimed solution, no matter how promising, has eventually crumbled under scrutiny. Decades of research have produced countless theories, but none have stood the test of time or peer review. The Voynich manuscript remains a mirror to our limits, a silent message from a world we cannot access, a puzzle that continues to challenge our intellect and imagination. It reminds us that some mysteries may never be solved, no matter how advanced our tools or how determined our efforts. Today, it sits in Yale's Beinecke Rare Book and Manuscript Library, quietly defying explanation. Visitors from around the world come to see it, drawn by its aura of mystery and the hope that perhaps, one day, its secrets will be revealed. Is it a lost encyclopedia of forgotten knowledge, a coded treatise on alchemy or medicine, or something else entirely? Perhaps a work of art meant to inspire wonder and curiosity. For now, its secrets remain locked away, challenging us to keep searching, to keep questioning, and to accept that some books may never be read, but will always inspire. Now, we turn our gaze to the stars, to the vast, silent expanse above us that has inspired wonder and curiosity for generations. The night sky, scattered with countless points of light, has always beckoned us to ask, are we truly alone in the universe, or is there something or someone out there, waiting to be discovered? Among the many mysteries the cosmos has offered, few are as intriguing as the famous WOW signal, a fleeting anomaly that continues to puzzle scientists and stargazers alike. In the summer of 1977, Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope was quietly scanning the heavens, searching for signals that might hint at extraterrestrial intelligence. Suddenly, it detected a powerful, narrowband radio burst, coming from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, a region rich with stars and possibilities. What made this signal so remarkable was its frequency. It matched exactly what scientists would expect from an intelligent broadcast, transmitted at the hydrogen line, a frequency considered a universal hailing channel for interstellar communication. The signal was strong, clear, and unlike anything the telescope had picked up before. For a brief 72 seconds, the signal stood out dramatically from the cosmic background noise, a sudden spike that captured the attention of astronomer Jerry Amon, who famously circled the data and wrote, "Wow," in the margin. And then, just as quickly as it appeared, the signal faded away, never to be detected again. Despite exhaustive efforts to find a source, no known human technology or natural phenomenon has ever fit the profile of the WOW signal. It remains a singular event, defying easy explanation and fueling speculation about its origin. Was it a deliberate cosmic greeting from an intelligent civilization reaching out across the void? Or was it a rare, perhaps never to be repeated astrophysical event, an accident of nature that just happened to mimic the signature of an artificial transmission? Over the decades, scientists have pointed ever more sensitive instruments at the same patch of sky, hoping to catch another glimpse of the mysterious signal. Yet despite all our searching, the source remains unidentified, and the WOW signal stands alone, a tantalizing clue in the search for life beyond Earth. The WOW signal is more than just a blip on a chart. It's a reminder of how much we have yet to learn. It's a whisper from the void, suggesting that the universe may hold secrets far beyond our current understanding. In the grand scheme of things, it's just a single data point, a fleeting anomaly. But it's enough to keep us listening, to keep us searching, and to keep us wondering what else might be out there, waiting to be discovered. The universe may seem quiet, but its mysteries are far from silent. Each unanswered question, each unexplained signal, is an invitation to explore further and dream bigger. So, what do you think we heard that night? Was it a message from another world, or simply the universe reminding us how much we have yet to discover? The search continues, and the stars still call to us. Back on Earth, we find the Baghdad Battery, a 2,000-year-old clay jar with a copper cylinder and iron rod, discovered near Baghdad. When filled with an acidic liquid, it can generate a small electric current, much like a modern battery. Did ancient people harness electricity for electroplating, medicine, or religious rituals? Some experiments show it could have been used for gilding, while others suggest it was a container for sacred scrolls. There's no direct evidence of ancient electrical devices or texts describing such technology. The debate continues. Was it a revolutionary invention or a coincidence? The Baghdad Battery teases us with the possibility of lost knowledge. Its true purpose remains uncertain, a spark of genius or a misunderstood relic. Sometimes, history's greatest innovations are hidden in plain sight. What do you believe this ancient jar was for? In Taos, New Mexico, a persistent low-frequency hum torments a small portion of residents. Described as a distant engine, the Taos hum is heard by only a few, causing discomfort and sleepless nights. Scientific investigations have found no clear source, no machinery, no geological explanation, no evidence of mass hysteria. Theories range from sensitive hearing to secret military activity, but none fit the facts. Some hearers say the hum is worse indoors, and it sometimes feels more like a vibration than a sound. The Taos hum remains a genuine, unexplained phenomenon. It's a reminder that our senses can reveal mysteries science has yet to solve. For those who hear it, the hum is a daily enigma. What hidden forces might be at work beneath the surface of our world? Deep in the heart of California's Death Valley lies a place of stark beauty and enduring mystery, Racetrack Playa. Here, in this vast, sun-baked expanse, something extraordinary happens. Heavy stones, some weighing hundreds of pounds, appear to move across the cracked desert floor all by themselves, leaving behind long, winding tracks that stretch for dozens of meters. These tracks are etched into the hard-baked mud, as if the stones have sailed silently through the night. For decades, visitors and scientists alike were baffled. No one had ever witnessed the stones in motion. Only the evidence of their journey remained, frozen in time. The playa would be empty, the stones still, and yet, after a season or a storm, new tracks would appear as if the desert itself had come alive while no one was watching. Theories abounded. Some believed powerful winds might be responsible, while others suspected elaborate pranks. A few even wondered if magnetic forces or earthquakes could be at play. But none of these ideas fully explained the phenomenon, and the mystery only deepened as more tracks appeared, some with sharp turns and intricate patterns. It wasn't until 2013 that a breakthrough came. Researchers, determined to solve the puzzle, set up cameras and monitoring equipment. They discovered that in the winter, rare rains create a thin layer of water on the playa's surface, which then freezes overnight, forming a sheet of ice. As the sun rises and warms the desert, the ice begins to crack and break into large, thin panels. When a gentle breeze sweeps across the playa, these floating sheets of ice act like sails, catching the wind and slowly pushing the stones along the slick, muddy surface. The movement is almost imperceptible, but over hours or days, the stones glide forward, carving their mysterious tracks. The process is so subtle and slow that it's nearly invisible to the naked eye. Yet, when researchers compared before and after images, the evidence was undeniable. The stones had moved, sometimes several meters, guided by nothing more than the combined forces of ice, water, and wind. While this elegant explanation accounts for most of the tracks, some older, more complex patterns remain unexplained. These tracks twist and turn in ways that still puzzle scientists, hinting that there may be more to the story than we yet understand. The sailing stones are a powerful reminder that even the most ordinary forces, wind, water, ice, can combine to create effects that seem almost magical. They show us that nature is full of surprises and that sometimes the most incredible phenomena are the result of simple processes working together in just the right way. Even as science unravels one mystery, nature often keeps a few secrets tucked away, waiting for curious minds to discover them. The playa's stones invite us to look closer, to question what we think we know, and to marvel at the world's hidden wonders. These stones are a testament to patience, curiosity, and the surprising power of the natural world. They remind us that answers can take years, even decades, to reveal themselves, and that the journey to understanding is as important as the solution itself. Sometimes what seems impossible is simply waiting for the right conditions, a perfect blend of timing, weather, and observation. The impossible becomes possible, and the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Who knows what other wonders might be hiding in plain sight, waiting for us to notice? The world is full of mysteries, and sometimes all it takes is a little curiosity to uncover them. Our exploration of these 6 enigmas ends, but the questions remain. Each mystery is an invitation to look deeper and challenge what we think we know. The universe leaves us clues, a gear, a manuscript, a fleeting signal, reminding us that discovery is a never-ending journey. Which mystery fascinated you most? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this adventure into the unknown. Subscribe for more journeys into the world's greatest mysteries. Until next time, keep wondering.